For your homework for today, you had to write about the keys to Salva's survival. Meaning, he had a lot of difficult things happen to him. So what helped him survive, or who helped him survive? These things I'm calling keys. So the word key can mean, of course, the key that you open your door with, but it can, it can also mean an important thing. Okay, so what are the keys to Salva's survival? In a live class today, students came up with different things. It's probably easier for me to type, so let's do that. One thing people said was family. So like thinking about his family, or wanting to be with his family. That was something that motivated him, kept him going. He would want to quit and he would think about his family. Students also said things like his uncle. His uncle helped him in many cases, right? Another key, some students said he was just lucky. He had good luck. Luck is one key to his survival, maybe. Other people said strong will. Just refusing to give up, right, was another key to his survival. What else do people say today? His intelligence. So there's not one right answer. There's not 5 right answers. Maybe you have a different idea than this. That is fine too. So then in the class we talked about how when you write a paragraph, there's different types of sentences. So this is also in your online class today. But of course, the most important sentence is your topic sentence, that first sentence with the main idea. But then we have some body body sentences in the middle that I'm calling main support sentences. So if I'm asking you to write about the keys to Salva's survival, each key would be a main support. And then the third thing that you need is examples or details. So example sentences or detail sentences give you more information. So for example, if you're thinking about how did his uncle help him survive? Well, let's make some example sentences about that. Think about the book. What are ways that Salva's uncle helped him survive in difficult times? Give him food, right? Now, in your actual paragraph, you're going to say more. Right now, we're just planning and thinking about what we can talk about. But one example is his uncle gave him food. What else did his uncle do? His uncle supported him to cross the desert, some people said. So when he didn't think he could make it, and he was feeling like, oh, I can't do it, it's too hard, his uncle convinced him to keep going, right? So those would be example sentences or detail sentences. So when you go to write your paragraph for your homework today, that's what I mean when I talk about including main support and details. All right, good luck.